Here in Northwest BC, our lives are intertwined with the animals and nature that call this place home. And I love to explore their habitat. I've spent my life learning from and loving the natural environment that surrounds me. Every wildlife encounter is special. But recently, one left me with questions. Because I knew there was a wolf cull going on in BC.
Support that effort.
We support the science-based hunts, yeah, absolutely.
Very, very family orientated. They love like none other.
And it really made me wonder, like, what's up with the wolf cull?